Meet the Acer Swift Edge 14 AI, where featherlight design meets serious computing power. Weighing under 1 kilogram but packing Intel's latest Core Ultra 9 processor, this laptop redefines what ultra-portables can do. And hey, if you're as excited about next-gen tech as we are, hit that subscribe button, it really helps the channel. Let's start with what makes this machine special: AI performance. With up to 48 TOPS NPU power and 120 TOPS total AI performance, the Swift Edge 14 AI isn't just future-ready, it's future-proof. Imagine real-time video subtitles, instant file searches, and AI-assisted creativity tools all running locally without internet. That's Copilot PC capability in a package thinner than most magazines. The star of the show is undoubtedly the 3K OLED touch display. We're talking 100% DCI, P3 color accuracy, ultra-smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, and anti-glare technology that makes outdoor use actually practical. Performance-wise, the Ultra 9 variant especially shines, offering 50% better graphics than last gen while being 40% more power efficient. Translation? You get desktop-class power that lasts up to 21 hours on a charge. Yes, you heard right, multi-day battery life in a sub-1 kg chassis. Wi-Fi 7 delivers 2.4x faster speeds than Wi-Fi 6E, while Bluetooth 5.4 with LE audio means crystal-clear wireless sound. Port selection doesn't disappoint either: dual Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, HDMI 2.1, and more. No dongle life here. The magnesium aluminum build deserves special mention. At just 1.59 centimeters thin, it's MI-LESDD 810H certified for durability. The 180-degree hinge makes collaboration easy, while the UV-coated keyboard offers cloud-like typing comfort. Little touches like the activity indicator in the touchpad show Acer's attention to detail. AI features go beyond specs. Acer Sense centralizes all your AI tools. From smarter video calls that adjust lighting automatically to presence detection that locks your screen when you step away. Security gets an AI boost too, with enhanced facial recognition and on-device data protection. Sustainability hasn't been forgotten. The Swift Edge 14 AI uses post-consumer recycled materials, ships in 100% recycled packaging, and carries EPAT Gold certification. Now, real talk, who is this for? Digital nomads will love the weight and battery life. Creatives will adore the OLED accuracy. Professionals will appreciate the AI productivity tools. And gamers? That 120 Hz display with DTS-X Ultra audio is surprisingly capable for casual gaming. The only caveats? Availability varies by region, and some Copilot Plus features roll out through early 2025. But with over 300 AI experiences already available, there's plenty to explore right now. The only caveats? Availability varies by region, and some Copilot Plus features roll out through early 2025. But with over 300 AI experiences already available, there's plenty to explore right now. Like and subscribe.